Good morning, class 4. The remaining reading of chapter 1, page number 12, 13 and 14. I will read and explain you the hard words and I will explain the chapter also. One day when Oli was happily hunting for fish in the sea with his parents, he swam straight into a thick cloud of smelly black sludge that was spreading through the water. The sludge quickly coated Oli's feather. Now sludge means thick, sticky mud. Thick fact means a big piece of a bulk of sticky mud. Coated. Coated means that sticky mud colored Oli. Means whatever his natural color is covered with his own color. And it was sticky, so it stuck in the body of Oli. Mama, Papa, some sticky black stuff has suddenly covered my feather. I am not able to swim properly. Help me, I am scared. Stay right behind me, Oli. Once we reach home, I'll clean you up. Don't be scared. But alas, when Oli's family struggled back to their ice home, they found that the black sludge that covered their feathers was impossible to remove. Now, why that black sludge was that covered Oli's feather was impossible to remove? We will come later to know in this chapter why it was not able to be removed by Oli's parents. This sticky black stuff on Oli's feather is just not coming off. I have tried hard to clean it with my sharp teeth. Tried hard means much effort. Enough effort. This black sludge is all that has spilled. Now, the answer has come. Why it was impossible to remove? Because this black sludge is all that has spilled out from one of those huge ships that we see passing by sometimes. I saw this happen many years ago when I was a chick myself. Now, जैसे आप लोग देखेंगे कार बाइक वगैरह चलते हैं उसमें धुआं वगैरह निकलता है, कभी कभी मोबिल डीजल या और भी ऑयल्स वगैरह कुछ ख़राब हो जाने की वजह से निकल जाते हैं। तो शिप्स जो सेल करती हैं बड़ी बड़ी रिवर्स है, ओशंस, वो लोग भी कभी कभी ऑयल स्पिल कर देते हैं और उनका जो स्पिलिंग ऑयल होता है वो लार्ज अमाउंट में होता है। ये सब सी वाटर को डैमेज करते हैं, पोल्यूटेड करते हैं और उससे सी एनिमल्स क्रिएचर्स को बहुत ही हार्म होता है। आई एम फीलिंग इल टू, आई वंडर मीन्स जस्ट इमेजिन, थिंक ऑफ व्हाट विल हैपन, where all this smelly black sludge in the sea come from. Oli and his family huddled together desperately. Desperately means uncomfortably, not good feel. On the ice, feeling very unwell indeed. Suddenly, a ship appeared on the sea. People from the vessel means ship, got out from it and came straight to the colony of penguins. Colony means group of penguins. Who are these strangers coming toward us holding cages? I think they are going to trap us. Trap means to catch. So from the vessel some people got down and they were going towards the penguins. No, Oli, stop screaming. Screaming means shout, loudly shout in fear. जब वो डर जाते थे, we are scared, they just try to scream. These people have not come to hurt us. They have come to help remove the dangerous oil that has stuck to our feathers. Oli and many other penguins from his colony were put into wire basket. Then they were loaded onto the ship and taken away to a rescue and rehabilitation center for birds. Rehabilitation center means a place to look after. A rehabilitation center has been built for many endangered animals, many birds, many sea animals, where when these animals are sick or when they get hurt, they are taken there, their treatment are done over there, and when they are well, then again they are left to their proper place. Ollie, calm down. What grandfather said is true. These kind of people are just trying to get this nasty. Nasty means bad. Black sludge off our feathers. But it is so scary when they squeeze me so tightly and pull things on my feather. Scary, something that is not good, frightening. Now squeeze, when we squeeze something, for when we eat sauce, just see we squeeze the sauce bottle, then sauce come out. After bathing, we squeeze the cloth, that is called a squeeze. Next page. After 2 weeks at the rescue center, Ollie and the other penguins were put on a ship that headed back to their ICU. Headed means moved towards the ICU. I am so glad to be back home again. Now I will go tobogganing at top speed and leap straight into the ice cold water to celebrate. Flightless penguins with their comical waddle and charming words. Flightless penguins with their comical waddle are charming birds. However, out of the 18 recognized species of penguins in the world, 13 are in danger. In danger means इनके फिनिश होने पे, इनके एग्जिस्ट होने का डेंजर है. ज़्यादातर लोग उन्हें मार देते हैं या एटमॉस्फेयर में जो चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, वाटर्स पॉल्यूटेड हो जा रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से वो लोग डेथ कर जाते हैं. यानी अब इनकी बहुत फ्यू संख्या बची है, पॉपुलेशन बची है, धीरे धीरे. Penguins have a very important role to play in the ecosystem of our planet, land and ocean. Now, ecosystem, what is ecosystem? You will learn better in science. All the plants and living creatures in a particular are considered in relation to their physical environment. Means all the plants, animals, humans, all everything are connected by a chain that is called the ecosystem. We are dependent on animals and plants are dependent on us, on humans and animals, like that. Good population of penguins keep our oceans healthy. If the numbers of penguins decrease, it is a sign that our ecosystem is in trouble. Apart from oil spills, which cause great harm to the feathers and internal organs of penguins, plastic bags, bottle and other garbage littered on beaches can harm penguins and other sea creatures who mistake them for food. In the sea beaches, when we go, many people go, they carry food, packages, and they just eat. Maybe they can throw over there plastic water bottles, carry bags, and many different items that do not decompose very fastly. Take thousands and thousands of years to be decomposed, or some plastics are that they never decompose. So when they float in the oceans, that also thinks that it is something to eat, they swallow it or eat it, and they feel sick and die. And there are many other reasons, because if water is polluted, it is very harsh, or means you can't say that life is impossible without a pure water. Therefore, remember never ever to throw litter when you visit a beach. It might hurt some of the wonderful creatures that we are privileged to share our splendid planet. Now, in this chapter we have learned it is given to save a penguin. It is giving a message that we should not pollute ocean waters or rivers or any kind of water. So we must avoid using plastics and other materials which do not decomposed quickly, and we must save our ecosystem and nature, because a healthy nature gives us a healthy life. Now, we'll go on to the exercise page 15. Understand and express. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Olive lived in a colony of penguins in the icy continent of Antarctica at the South Pole, a rescue and rehabilitation center for birds, the sea near the South Pole. So we will find that on the icy continent of Antarctica at the South Pole. So you can say the icy continent of Antarctica at the South Pole. So answer number A is correct. When he was born, Olive was covered with scales, downy fur of feathers. So over here, Olive's body was covered with downy fur when he was born. So answer is downy fur. Number 3. Who told the penguins what the black sludge on the feathers was? Father penguin, grandfather penguin. Number B, sharks. So what will be now? Now over here, let's just see that. The sticky blacks. The sticky black stuff of Olive's feather is just not coming out. I'll try hard to clean it with my spit. This black sludge is oil that has spended out from one of those ships that we see passing by sometimes. I saw this happen many years ago when I was chick myself. So it is told by Father Penguin. Now mark this sentence as true or false. When Olive was about 7 weeks old, his parents put him in a creature of penguin chicks. True or false? It is true. Okay? Because over here in the first page, Olive was about 7 weeks old. His parents put him in a creature of penguin chicks. All his father and mother were very good at flying. What will we answer? False. Because they were good at swimming, not flying. Olive had web feet. So, true or false? Now, it is true or false? You can say true, because generally animals in water, those who live in water, have a webbed feet. Now, Olive was not at all scared when his feathers were covered with a sticky black silk. No, false, because he was really scared. Olive was very happy when he was tightly squeezed and soapy liquids were poured on his feather. No, false, because it hurt him. When he was squeezed, he felt very uneasy and it hurt Olive, so it is false. Number 6, out of 18 recognized species of penguin in the world, 13 are endangered. Yes, it is true, because 13 species of penguins are now in danger. That's all. Question answer will be given tomorrow. I will give in a written form in a PDF file. That's all. Thank you.